nosy. Different dials. And look at this. So I was moving the rudders behind then. Welcome to this week's video, guys. We've got a banger for you today. A second time on the channel, a plane graveyard. So let's go and take a look, guys. How cool is that? How cool, isn't it? Massive, massive plane. Size of engines, they're massive them. Oh cool. You can see there's the door and the little windows, and there's one of the wings over there, just come out of this. Electrical cables inside, it says. Yeah, look, there's one of the massive wings. Look at that. I apologise for any wind today as well. It's so cool. It's got two doors there. Massive wingspan. What about down this side, guys? But as you can see, there's the old Watchtower up there. Now it's a hotel for illegal immigrants. Let's have a look here. So you can tell, guys, how big these are. Massive. Got the stairs here going up. Have a nosy. It's very wobbly. There's the door there. Oh, have a look. Looks cool, doesn't it? So got your landing gear still. As you can see, we've got quite a few planes. There's one there, got a car, fire truck, another plane behind that, plane there, and a little hidden thing over there that I've seen as well. So this was actually a working airport, part of the airport, this. Wow, look at this. That's cool, that, isn't it? There's your handles to get in. There's locked on it. Jetstream 41. Size of these as well, guys. Proper. And you've got your landing gear. So if you want to read this, guys, just give it a pause the video. Have a read of that. I think you'll see inside. Maybe. Well, you can see the blue light for landing. Oh, it's even got the that pole there where it would attach to a vehicle and it would get pulled along the runway, and then your stopping blocks. Cool, that one. Very cool, that one. Now we've got this Liverpool Airport car with the cones in the back. And then look at this, Liverpool Airport. Peel Airport Company, number 3, fire service. So that's pretty cool to see, isn't it? Pretty huge. And again guys, if you want to read that, give the video a pause and have a read of it. 74 miles an hour. What's in there? I can't see up there guys, but you might be able to. I can just about see him there. So there's the holes at the top, they would have sprayed it out. Pretty cool. The old tax disc says 2012 there, I think. So let's have a look. Can't see much really. Compressed gas. Pretty cool, eh? It's a cool one, isn't it? It looks old, this. It's pretty old, this one, isn't it? You can see in there, guys, I can see like a switchboard. Maybe. Stripped out.
Shell.
Oh yeah. Oil company. Maybe it would have been used to get them out there, and so the oil rigs or whatnot, sort of. It's got some ladders in there, I think. It's got the English flag up there. British flag. So now we're going to head over to these ones, guys. Have a look at this. Looks more commercial, this one. Massive wingspan. The propeller's been took off. Well, look at that one, guys. Centre bus bar. I can't see up there, guys. I don't know if you can. Big nose on it. So you've got your windscreen and wiper like what's on a car. Can't see much from that one. There's a lot of glare from the sun today, so I don't know what that's going to do. Attention, persons viewing these aircraft do so at their own risk. They don't accept liability for any accidents, damage or loss. I'm just seeing that one. There's condensation in there. Like it's full of, it looks like it's got wings in it or something. What does it say? Dan Air. Engine oil. Ah, Rolls Royce, guys. Rolls Royce. Fire push this panel. Insert nozzle. So cool. That is wicked, isn't it? Yeah, you've got the massive wingspan here, stretching all the way out to here. Crazy. Wonder what's in them. What do you think? Let's see if we can see through these other windows. It's a shame we can't get on them, but it is what it is. Oh, it's just full of tools and different bits. That's cool, that. Get a shot of it from the back for us. That's massive. Look guys, compared to me, it's huge. Right, let's go and have a look at this one. Oh, it's French. It's got a French flag on it. So it's the French Air Force. Oh, first of all, let's look at these. The propellers. I bet they're off this one then. So these will be off there.
Looks like they might have been doing them.
Some little bits in there as well. They're cool. Cool to see. Let's go and have a look at this fighter jet. So you've got the French flag. Yeah, we saw that on the planes at the military graveyard. So I'll stick that on the screen now guys, so check that video out for sure. One of my favourite explores I've ever done. Let's see, oh man, it'd be cool to sit in there, wouldn't it? Would be cool to sit up there. It's got the seat, it's got everything still in, I think. I'll see it when I watch the footage back. Looks like it actually opens as well. Landing gear still on. Yo, cool. Hit something at some point. Yo, like that. That's cool, that. San something G Lee. Cool. Yeah guys, if you know more about these, just put it in the comments. I'd love to find out a bit more about them. Very cool. Oh, there's a wing there. Oh, that symbol. It's like a paper aeroplane, doesn't it? Oh, look at this hiding behind here. A massive propeller there. Liverpool.
You can get round easy around the other side. No, you don't.
Wow.
Can you come round this side? Seats and everything.
Oh, feels weird.
It's cool.
It moves the back things.
Oh, let's see, go on. Oh yeah. It's all moving.
Yeah, it passes out. I want to show all the dials. This is cool as anything. Oh my god, these bees are attacking me as well. Look at that, guys. Got all this. All your different dials. And look at this. So I was moving the rudders behind then. Throttle. Mixture. Carb H2. HT cabin. Park brake. Don't know what that does. Oil temp. spare fuses. What's this? Flaps, invert, some navigations. There's lots going on here.
Flaps? You know what it's called? You sexy.
What a cool little thing, eh? It's wicked that. View sexy. That's cool that. Very cool. There's a Liverpool symbol. Right guys, yeah, so that was the plane graveyard, we'll call it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. We've got weekly amazing explores coming. Catch you on the next one.